how selfish life is becoming. Self-centered young men, get a life, get to work, don't be a burden to society and friends. Have you heard of high work? And the IRS. The leaf of the tree, a young sheep weaving a cute little basket. And one of you will take it home today. Who wants a basket? Everybody wants it. We're going to cut it out when you can take a piece of it home. Just tell your friends and family this is a piece of the basket. I've got a headband and there's some coming out to you. Whoever deserves it gets it. If you don't get one today, it's not your day. It's not enough for everybody. But look up, my friends. Let's go on. The whole roof is coconut leaf. The blinds of the house next door is coconut leaf. If you look at the house, if you have a chance, the house is dark back there. The back side is dark because all the blinds are low. That's coconut leaf. The mat you sleep on is coconut leaf. The tray you eat from is coconut leaf. The hat you wear is coconut leaf. The fan you fan with is coconut leaf. And the list goes on and on. Now, check this out. This one single leaf will help you appreciate the coconut even more. So what I'll do here is just tear this off, come right off, take a bunch of this, you break the ends, becomes a strip. It's also a strip. Fishing method in Samoa called the lao or the huki lao. Canoe show today, 2:30. Go, don't miss it. Go watch the canoe show and learn about the fishing and how this place came to be. It has a lot to do with this. It's a Q-tip. I'll show you. It works. Watch this. So the whole thing is hard. This is the only possibility of anything that can go to here. Creating a brush, so soft. Work on it until it's softened enough that it doesn't hurt the ear, but it scratches the itch in there. See that? It's a brush. Every tree has a Q-tip. I can take you on a Q-tip tour. But here's a toothpick. Goes in there. Buy one, get one free. And it's long enough to reach the other side. See that? Very clear. I can get everything inside. There's a fork. We got a fork. Get a couple more dishes. This and a comb here with. You see that? Tie a whole bunch together, it becomes a broom. Very, very effective to clean with. Clean the house, out in the field. You hear the child screaming for his life. How do you miss that? It's really funny now. It wasn't funny growing up. I've been spanked my whole life. It doesn't hurt anymore. Hit me one more time. It's a painful memory. The basket is done. Who wants a basket? It is now saved in the iCloud. It is. You can download it with a small fee, send it to the printer, 3D printing is now available. How's that? Life is good. You can have anything you want. And whole new you. You can print a whole new you. Every young man must know how to do the basket. You can't weave it, can't do the work. It carries everything. Master, it carries rocks, firewoods, coconuts, breadfruit tiles. The child that cannot walk is carried in the basket. So the young man loads him up, and they walk for miles and miles with these loads, and these long walks, they actually stop and pause. Check this out. Do you know how many books written about Samoa? A lot. Now, one book. This is embarrassing. These guys are so full of themselves. They're in the middle of nowhere, close to nowhere cares. Just hurry up and get to the village and cook before they're waiting for you. Don't touch me. You touch me again, I'll touch you again. Now, in Samoa, we believe that everything was in place at the beginning of time. Everything was in order in our society, especially in the family. Everybody has responsibilities. The young man's role is the provider. And we start them young, a little better. This is 6, 7, 8, 9 years old, involved in everything. Fishing, raising animals, plant the food, cook the food, serve the food in the house. Can you imagine that? Young men went to school today, came home, cooked the food, served the food. Grandparents, parents, sisters eat first. It is the most beautiful part of our culture to see this young man serve the families with great respect. And we're taught all our lives. You hear the neighbors do the same thing. That the people you serve today serve those who have gone before us, and they're buried right there. Our land is sacred. We believe they watched us serve the people that served them, because now is their turn to be served. Because one day your turn will come. And because of that, I know for a fact our culture is alive today, and hope and pray it lasts for a very long time. So, looking forward to some comments. We'll be sent back. We are watching our cooking and also serving food. How's that? You're a big help for the young men. Come on, give it up. Put some strength in these young men. Women have their place in every society. It's true, Samoa, you're taught every day. It's your mother, your father teach you that your mother, your sister is the pupil of your eye as a young man. It means a relationship very sensitive and you're very protective of it. So in Samoa, everybody knows this, especially the men, to never ever disrespect anybody's mother or sister. It is the last thing you want to do, and it might be the last thing you do. Everybody knew he was you. Your mother gave birth to you. That's pretty amazing. Besides that, they do a lot more. This is the birth of the women. All by hand. Remember that. This is the bark of a tree. This is the leaves of a tree. This is brand new polyester cotton mix. The sound that you hear is the alarm system. It's the sound of the celebration. Samoa, the day set aside for the women to display their work. These are small samples. Imagine the big ones, bigger than the field. Took forever to weave. It's done. It's beautiful. And today we showcase it for the whole world to see. So the bigger the mat, the softer they are, the more intricate you put them together, the more valuable they are. Tedious work. I'd rather get it over with and make those mats. For the women, even for women. And to all the women of the world. For rugby and football, it was coconut. You get hit in the head on the right spot. This is ripe. When they're ripe, they turn brown like us or Sāmāwy and not So husked we use this. We call it milei. We're saying milei. Oh, come on, milei. In English, sharp stick. In Spanish, palo. India, luckily, Filipino, Korea, Chinese, Japanese. Where are you from? You Chinese? Are you sure? Ni hao ma? Ni hao hao? Yeah, not chopstick, sharp stick. What's that right? What's that right? Come on, give it up. Now, before we crack the coconut, start with the husk. When the coconut ripens, the husk dries up. Before it ripens, you must take the husk to the ocean, to a basket full of husk, the green, in the salt water for a couple of weeks, and then you take it out, you one by one pound it, and clean it up. There it is. Dental floss. Hair replacement. Hair extension. That's what you look like. The operation gone wrong. You look like a chicken, the one chicken of the sea. They ate all the other chicken. Look up. The whole house is tied with a rope that comes from the husk of the coconut. It ties the house, the canoes, the weapons, the tools, the original fishing line, fishing nets, and much more. If you want to see how the rope is made, come see me. We'll show you how it's done. That is Mama's hook. One is in Tahiti. Pull it out, shower with it. Wash the dishes for you. Anyway, it's a shower, pull it out, very new. Every time you shower, it's a new one. It's fresh. Shower you. It's your feet, and your face. It's your face, it's dirty in your feet. It's called dry cleaning. Wash your face. Don't wash other people. This is important. You learn about the husk, we just crack the coconut right. Very important. This is the right way to do it, instead of a mess. First, you need to know the coconut has a face, and it has 2 eyes, a mouth, and a nose. Look at that face. Yeah, Spanish, Korea, Chinese, Japanese, Filipinos on Facebook. So there's the face. Now, the face there is pretty clear. This color is pretty clear. You got the 2 eyes, the same here, the mouth, the eyebrow, the mouth below the nose. Look for the line between the eyes. That doesn't make sense. There's 2 other lines. Those 2 lines really help you. They got to mirror each other. One here, one here. It leaves one line by itself, there's the one between the eyes. You got that? Hit across the line between the eyes and it cracks in half. Yeah? Anything. Hammer, knife, sidewalk, dynamite, we use our foreheads. You see that? That's where I do my cracking. I'm a left-hander, I use the right side of my brain. Use the brain, gives them harder than anything. We don't want to. So this is good. That's all you need. It's a rock. If it's a rock, in Samoa, rock. In Spanish, Filipino, in India, Chinese, Korean, Japanese. In America, nutcracker. In Arkansas, little rock. In Tennessee, rock and roll. So here's the line. The line, turn the face this way. And do the cross, the line. Who's back? So here's the coconut juice, the best thing in life. Ma'am, with the leg, come here, ma'am. Come here, andale, andale. Where are you from? Poland, in Dublin. The first time drinking, the last time too. Finish it. Super. Come back here. But let him drink. He, tomorrow he looks like this. Finish it. Hey, give it up from Poland. We have a gift for you. We have a gift. There he is. It's your new chef. That's not funny. Come back here. This is your new wallet. Get to work, man. Give it up. All right, that's the juice. The milk is in the meat. Shred the meat. We use a sharp piece of metal. Before it was a shell. But last year we got the metal. This year we got heavy metal. This year we're heading for the gold metal. What you do, eat and drink, you don't have a choice. Everything shows up. Look at this kid. Look at the muscles, the abs, the pecs, the biceps, the triceps, the trapezius, the deltoid, latissimus dorsi, the external obliques, the gluten. It's not included. So we're making milk. We shred the meat, gather the meat, fibers of the coconut as a strainer, roll them up, squeeze it, make pure milk. Milk turns to oil. It's good for the hair, the skin, or you put it in the morning, bake with it, massage with it more. You want the competition. Called the squeezing competition. Very private competition. Nobody heard about it. It's private. Don't look it up. Check it out. It does it with style. That's pure milk. So to the left with the step. You see that step right there? Does it to the right, you know what I'm saying? To the left, to the right. It does it overhead. Make sure the milk is all over the place. You're the milkman. He delivers. He went backwards for you. Are you having a good time? Yeah. Do you want more? Yeah. Come on, make your own milk. Now we're going to make fire by rubbing sticks. Some of you might need one day, you know? So the wood we use is wild hibiscus, so two of those pieces from the same wood. Wild hibiscus. We have low hibiscus and we got hibiscus. Don't mix up this. So we divide you to two families. One family here, one family here. You're the Fai family, you're the Popo family. Say Popo. Fai. Oh, come on, Fai. Popo. Po. Fai. Po. You got it. Fai, banana, Popo, coconut. You go banana, you go nuts. He is your chef. He is your chef. I'm a chief. What do you call a chief without an I? A chef. On your mark, get set, go. 5, 3, 4, 4. Can you hear you? 4, 4, 5, 8, 4, And the winner! Please smell what's cooking. Never ever judge a man by the number of his abs. I'd rather have one big functional ab than a bunch of non-functional abs. Give it up for funny. one big functional app. Come on, give it a Coconut husk, give them gasoline. There's a parking lot full of cars and cars are not locked. Liberty and gas. Everybody say fire! In Samoa, afi! In Spanish, oil. In Brazil, in French. In India, Filipino, Korea, Chinese, Taiwan, Hong Kong, Vietnam. I'm not making this up. In Japan, he. Everybody say he. I don't know what she is. That was really good. Samoan organic free cologne. It's like oat spice. It's way older and spicier. He doesn't smell like this. He doesn't cook. Don't waste your time. Don't go for the looks. Go for the smell. If he has both, good for you. If he has none, run for your life. Give a big hand to the people of Samoa. Come on, give it up. You must know this. Most of the workers are students nearby university. And it's a break. So graduation, it was 2 Fridays ago. It's been amazing. Some of our young men move on to Samoa and work with the government and schools and all that. So I am a product of this place. My name is Cap. Everybody say Cap. That's K-A-P. Came from Samoa as a student. Truly blessed to be part of this program. Came out of work, went to school, graduated with a degree in fine arts. And today I see my work in the galleries in many, many homes throughout the world. I have a gallery back there. Another gallery in front of the theater. It's open at 6 to 7:30, but this is open now. After that, we're going to climb the tree, come visit the gallery, take whatever you want, and run straight to me. Okay, you pay for it, and also. And the value is going up in the next couple of months. So, after this, we're going to step outside and climb the tree. Tree climb, one of the greatest workouts, called the Tree 90X. Just stand away from the tree, and now you can be safe. Something happens, ain't your fault. This is America, it's somebody else's fault. It's Samoa is your fault. I mean, how's that? This is why I'm not. That's why you're not. Give it up for the fight. Give it up! People of Samoa! My friends, once again, appreciate being here today. Without you, no students. I mean, some of our students in the islands can't afford education. There's no way. This is a